Okay. Hey, yo, welcome to the vid. Happy Tuesday. Tuesdays are a busy day for work. We've got a lot of meetings on Tuesdays. Also, Nordly meetings are now on Tuesdays. I no longer skate on Tuesdays. I don't like Tuesdays as much. But yeah, I'm off to the office. I was supposed to have a plant day yesterday and that did not happen. Hopefully today that'll happen. I've got plants that I need to take care of. I want to chop and prop a few of them. Some of them are dying that I got to throw away. I just kind of want to clean up the plant sitch because I got lots that are not doing so great, or they need to be like propagated, like this one. This one's doing pretty well. It's got little babies coming out of it. I don't know. Let's get to work though and get that over with. Just got back from work. It was a busy day in the office. I figured out how to print. What was that, Binky? I figured out how to print from my laptop, so that was exciting. You okay? He's having some congestion issues, I think. You hear that? Ooh. You okay? You okay? Get it out. Sneeze it out. Made myself some pasta quickly, and now plant watering is underway. We're doing like a good water, not just like a drizzle here and there. We're soaking the pots, we're inspecting them. Some of them have bugs, we're working on that. I'm also in an Nordly meeting.
Hello.
It is 2 in the morning. I just finished watering all of my plants. They all came to the kitchen, got a little inspection. I repotted a few things. I threw away a few things. Yeah, my room looks nice. I have less plants in there. The dead ones are gone. Yeah, it just feels nice to have everything organized again. I have desk space again. I also had a Nordly meeting, did some of that, drank half a bottle of wine, and now I'm gonna go to bed. I don't know if I'm going to the office tomorrow. I've worked quite a bit the last 2 days, so I might not even do any work tomorrow. I might do other jobs tomorrow, like vacuuming and stuff. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Do what's right, and you will see me tomorrow.